But while the bases were drying, I moved on to the tabletops, and I fixed the missing edge banding and filled in all the scratches and flaws using Dixie Belle wood filler. It's called Dixie Belle Mud. And the reason why I really like using this wood filler, it's a great choice if you're sanding by hand because it sands with seriously little to no effort. I started using my orbital sander to sand back and scuff the two tabletops, but here I'm also demoing how to sand this filler just using a regular sandpaper. It's so easy.